Hey everyone, if you're trying to update AppFlowy and keep getting an update failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy update problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection. App updates require a stable connection to download and install new files successfully. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the update process. Another helpful step is temporarily disabling antivirus software, firewalls, or security tools that may be blocking the update process. If the automatic update continues to fail, visit the official AppFlowy website and download the latest version manually. Installing the newest release directly often resolves update-related problems. Before installing a manual update, back up important workspaces and notes whenever possible to avoid accidental data loss. You can also restart your computer and attempt the update again. A reboot clears temporary processes that may be interfering with the installation. And that's how to fix AppFlowy update failed errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, freeing storage space, updating system permissions, and installing the latest version manually will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.